Everyone loves the Meridian sedan bridge designs because of their sleek, attractive lines. The two-tiered salon windows give it a striking look on the outside and a sensational look on the inside while providing some awesome panoramic views. This Meridian 391 is one of the cleanest boats we've ever listed. In fact, from the bimini to the bilge, it would be harder to find a cleaner, better maintained vessel. This boat is equipped with twin MERCRUISER 8.2-liter 425 horsepower gasoline engines with just over 500 hours, and they can be accessed from the salon floor or by raising the flybridge steps. Just under the cockpit hatch, there's a Kohler 10 kW generator with right at 1,000 hours. This area provides easy access to the batteries, and there's a lot of storage space in this area. The helm is equipped with a Raymarine display for chart and GPS, a Raymarine Tri-Data for depth and speed, trim tabs, remote spotlight, and a Mercury vessel view display in addition to the analog gauges. The Mercury DTS controls make shifting smooth as silk, and of course the Meridian docking on command system with bow and stern thrusters makes this boat a cinch to maneuver into a slip or in close quarters. The helm seat has a flip-up bolster, and opposite the helm is a double forward-facing passenger seat. The flybridge is also equipped with a wet bar, which has a sink and refrigerator. Aft of the helm area is a large curved sofa with table. This is a great place to entertain guests and enjoy a panoramic view of the surroundings, all in the shade of the massive bimini top, which covers the entire flybridge. On the foredeck, you'll find a new set of bow cushions with backrests and rail-mounted speakers. The electric windlass sits in a recessed locker, which keeps the bow area clear of trip hazards, and the boat is equipped with this handsome stainless steel plow anchor. At the transom, there's a swim platform with a drop-down swim ladder, 2 transom storage lockers, and a hot and cold transom shower. The cockpit area is equipped with a bench seat, storage locker, and large overhang with accent lighting. The overhang provides shade to this area and foul weather protection for the salon entrance. Inside, the vessel features this attractive open salon arrangement with an abundance of windows for a 360-degree view of the horizon. The owners have recently installed this handsome hardwood floor, and the curtains were replaced in 2021. The 391 has one of the best interior arrangements we've seen on any yacht, with a large L-shaped sofa to starboard and a pair of comfortable chairs to port, giving this area a very home-like feel. The ultra-leather upholstery is very plush and comfortable, and the flex steel sofa can be converted to a sleeper if needed. Convenient to the entrance is the main electrical control panel and the upgraded Fusion sound system, which was installed in 2020. Below it, you'll find the entertainment center with flat screen TV and DVD player. The galley is up and part of the main salon area, placing it in a much preferred position, not being tucked away down below as seen on other yachts. The galley is equipped with an under-the-counter side-by-side refrigerator freezer, microwave convection oven, 2-burner electric stove, single basin sink, and solid surface countertops. Opposite the galley is an elevated dining area which provides another exceptional view, but would also make an excellent workstation to set up a laptop if needed. Going forward and at the foot of the stairs to port is the head with vacuum flush toilet, sink, and vanity. To starboard is the shower stall that can be accessed from both staterooms. The master stateroom is forward and features a centerline island queen berth with step-ups on each side, making it easy to access and easy to make up the bed. This room has opening ports on each side, then an overhead hatch to provide light and ventilation. There are 2 hanging lockers and drawers under the berth for storage. There is private access to the head to port and private access to the shower to starboard. The guest stateroom is on the starboard side of the vessel and has a queen berth, large hanging locker, and has private access to the shower stall.